So next on the deck we have Facebook Pixel. So I'll be connecting the Facebook Pixel with Yelo. Basically, Facebook Pixel collects data that helps you track conversions from Facebook ads, optimize ads, build targeted audiences for future ads, and remarket to people who have already taken some kind of action on your website. To configure it, one needs to have an account at business.facebook.com. So I've already logged into my account as business.facebook.com. Here we'll move to the event manager and it will list all our apps. We'll move to the account and all we need is the Pixel ID. So we will quickly copy it and we'll move to the Yelo, go to the settings, into the keys, and we will paste our Facebook Pixel ID here and click on save, and that's it. Now whenever the customers will be taking any kind of action, Facebook Pixel will be collecting all the data, and that data will be helping us to track the conversions from the Facebook. So here you can see we can see how many customers have viewed the page, the payment info, edit their products in the cart, go on to the checkout and purchase the product.